this is where partnership plays an important role. We in Shell Lubricants are committed to help business owners in their journey to success. And Shell Helix can help create better and more sustainable growth for our business owners. Now,
Alam na tiwala yung experience mo yun, and it actually pays off. And more than that, you get an opportunity to pay it forward. So, 2 years ago, unfortunately, that person who gave me the tiwala na kaya ko mag-thrive in this automotive business passed away. And when you lose someone, di ba, you kind of stop and reflect yung mga existential questions natin.
Most complete product portfolio, meeting the latest industry standards and specifications. Whatever the need of your consumers, we have the right oil for them. It starts with our premium mineral oil, or Helix H-Expand. For consumers looking for affordable oil they will rely on protection and engine performance. We also
We now turn over the floor to our moderator, Shell Lubricants Digital Manager, Ms. Ika Halili.
Hi everybody, good day. We're picking up a lot of insightful learnings from our speakers for today. We have a lot more in store in the next few minutes. But first, ito-quiz muna natin at we're going to have our panel discussion with our speakers from prior. Okay, so thank you again, Ms. G, Mr. Leo, Ms. Jackie, and Mr. Jensen for those wonderful insights, no? We talagang kitang-kita natin na end-to-end talaga yung offer and yung service that Shell is able to provide our future partner auto workshops. So I hope everyone is really looking forward to that. And talagang the future looks bright for auto workshops. But we have a couple of questions from our audience and our media representatives. Okay, so first this is for Ms. Jackie. So Ms. Jackie,